My name is Pamela Angel. Welcome to my presentation, Blog Your Way into the Future, using blogs in the English classroom. Today's students are born into a world of information and technology. Some will even have their own mobile phones at some time during their primary school years, and even more will have used an iPad or tablet before ever starting school. Using ICT in the classroom is a wonderful way to keep students learning an authentic experience. The art of blogging is becoming a useful tool in teaching literacy in the English classroom. Blogging can assist students with the writing process of pre-writing, drafting, revising, and editing. There are many free blogging platforms that can be used that are suitable for primary school students, such as BlogPress, which can be downloaded from www.theblogpress.com, or WordPress, which can be downloaded from www.wordpress.com. We've all seen this picture. Using blogging to assess students' ability, for example, in writing a story using introduction, problem, events, climax, resolution, and conclusion, can help ease the pressure of a student who has diagnosed learning difficulties in spelling or writing, and allows them to be able to show their ability to follow the rules of story writing in a fashion less stressful than handwriting. Lauren Cook, in her journal article on blogging, says blogging provides literacy skills with real-world applications, and knowing how to post, what to post, and how to engage effectively in an online environment are some of the key skills our students will need to have in the future. Thus, linking blogging to the general capabilities of information and communication technology as outlined in the West Australian curriculum. Students can access their blogs at home, as can the teacher. This allows for students to continue their learning experience outside the walls of the classroom while still being moderated by the teacher. So when the learning day ends, students' creative juices can continue to flow. Kendra Oliver has written a blog titled Teaching with Blogs. She includes useful information on how to introduce blogging in the classroom, why blogging is a good idea, and how blogging works. She also includes information on how to keep your students safe. Students' privacy needs to be considered when working with blogs. The World Wide Web is a very large and very public space. Consideration needs to be given to whether blogs will be published publicly, which has the benefit of students' work being validated from unknown people, which can be a boost to their ego, but can endanger privacy, or to publish students' work in a more closed-circuit way, perhaps so only school members, peers, and parents can access it, and thus keeping students safe from the public at large. If opting for publishing on the internet, it is a good idea to keep all identifiable things off of the blog, such as name and location, and age. However, whatever option you choose, you do not want negative comments making their way to your students' blogs. Blogging platforms will have a setting where all comments can be sent to the teacher before being accessible to the student, making it possible to only allow positive comments. Blogs can bring your students' stories to life. Stories become more than just words on a page. They can become animated, colourful, and can give personalities to characters. Blogging will engage your student, it is authentic and inclusive, and isn't that what all lessons should be? And finally, if you are planning to implement blogging in your classroom, it is important to familiarise yourself with the process first. Thank you.